Hey everyone, what's up? On the Valor channel today, I'll show you how to create a modded server on Aternos. Open any browser and go to Aternos. Here's where you'll need to create. Let me go ahead. I'll enable ad block because there will be constant flashing ads. So we go to servers, create a server, click create, select the platform here, and click create again. There we go. Moving on. Now it should reload based on the idea. Nope. Alright, let me just go in myself. So we're on the server, and here we need to click on the core. Yes, the software, the program, and here choose it for mods and plugins. This is the best core, the best one, ArcLight. We select it, choose the version, and click install. Click yes. There we go, it's installed. You can also play on other cores if you're interested, and also play on ready-made builds. Here they are. Next, go to mods and type the mod you need. Yes, select it accordingly. Oh, you also need to select the version. Version. The newer the version, the fewer mods, right? Let's go with 1.20. I'll install 1.20. Go to mods, select the mod, plugin. Here's the mod, right? You install the mod by clicking this button and it installs to your Minecraft. You download it and install the same version on your Minecraft and start playing. This was Valor. Leave likes and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.